Yo, what is up guys? It's me, your boy, Sir Diaz, right back at it again with another math hack video. So in this video, we're gonna talk about, or we're gonna solve or evaluate systems of linear equations. So I'm gonna teach you that for this video. But before that, I want you all to give me some love. We are road to 1K subscribers, and if you're still not subscribed to the channel, please do not hesitate to click that subscribe button and also ring that notification bell in order for you to know when I upload my latest videos. So with that, let us begin solving or evaluating systems of linear equation. I'm going to show you how to solve systems of linear equations in two ways. First is substitution and the other one is elimination. So in this case, I'm going to talk about these two techniques, but it is up to you whether you want to use substitution or if you want to use elimination. So either of the two shall give you the same answer. Okay, it's just a matter of preference. So in this given, 2x minus y is equal to 7 and y is equal to x minus 3, we're going to use substitution here first. So as you can see here, we have a value of y here. So the value of y is x minus 3. Okay, given that y is equals to x minus 3. So since we're gonna use substitution, we're gonna substitute the value of y to the first equation. So it will give us 2x minus, we're gonna change y in the first equation to x minus 3. It's because the value of y in equation 2 is x minus 3. It's equal to 7. And then after doing so, we need to simplify. So we distributed negative inside the parentheses. It's equal to 7. And then after doing so, you need to evaluate like terms. So in this case, 2x minus 3 will give us x. And then you transpose 3 to the other side of the equation, it will give us 7 minus 3. So x is equal to 4. So this is the first missing value, which is x is equal to 4. Now, to get the value of y, all we need to do is we need to substitute the value of x, which is 4, to equation 1 or equation 2. It really depends on you. But in this case, we're gonna use equation 2. So using equation 2, we will be getting y is equal to, change x into 4, and minus 3. So it will give you y is equal to 4 minus 3, which is 1. So if you choose to substitute it in the first equation, I will show you, you'll still get y is equal to 1. So using equation number 1, so 2 times 4 minus y is equal to 7. So 2 times 4 is 8 minus y is equal to 7. You transpose 8 to the other side. So negative y is equal to 7 minus 8. So negative y is equal to negative 1. Since we only need positive values of y, we will divide it both sides by negative 1. So it will give us y is equal to 1. So as you can see, we got the same answer regardless of where you should substitute it. It's either equation 1 or equation 2, you'll always get the same answer. Therefore, our final answer would be, it should be in the form of coordinates. In this case, it will be 4 and 1. Okay, 4, 1. The first entry should always be the x, which is the abscissa. So this is your final answer. So that's how you solve equations using substitution. Okay? Let us proceed with the next example. Okay, so the next example is this. So as you can see here, we do not have a clear value of x or y. Therefore, we're gonna manipulate one of these equations. So we have here equation 1 and equation 2. So as you can see here in equation 2, we have a standalone y. So the leading coefficient is 1, so therefore we can use it to get the value of y. So in this case, let's manipulate equation 2. We will get y is equal to negative 8x minus 11. Okay? So all we have done is we transpose 8x to the other side of the equation to get the value of y. Therefore, the value of y here is negative 8x minus 11. So after doing so, we need to substitute the value of y to equation 1 in order for us to get the value of x. So in that case, we will have 7x minus 4, change y to negative 8x minus 11 is equal to 5. And then we need to distribute negative 4 inside the parentheses. So it will give us 7x plus 32x plus 44 is equal to 5. So combining like terms, we can add 7x and 32x. That will give us 39x. And then you transpose 44 to the other side. So 5 minus 44. So 5 minus 44 will give us 39, negative 39. And then dividing both sides by 39, we will get x is equal to negative 1. It's because we're dividing negative by a positive number. So this is the first missing term. Now, to get the value of y, we need to substitute the value of x on either equation 1 or equation 2. Again, it's just a matter of preference. So in this case, let us use equation 2. So using equation 2, 8 times negative 1 plus y is equal to negative 11. So simplify, negative 8 plus y is equal to negative 11. And then you transpose negative 8 to the other side, so that will give you y is equal to negative 11 plus 8. So negative 11 plus 8, that will give us negative 3. So again, your answer should be in coordinates. Therefore, our final answer would be negative 1, negative 3. Again, the first entry should be x. So that's how you solve, or that's how you evaluate systems of linear equation using the technique substitution. Okay? From here on, I'm going to talk about elimination. So again, as I was just saying a while ago also, that it's just a matter of preference if you want to use elimination or substitution. It's really up to you guys. Okay, so the given for elimination is these two linear equations. So if you decided to use elimination, the first thing you need to do is you need to observe the given. So when we say elimination, we need to eliminate value, one value. No? It's either the values of x or the values of y. So when we say elimination, we need to eliminate one of them. So in this case, the fastest way to eliminate one value is the value of y. Why? It's because, as you can see here, we have a negative and we have a positive. Okay, therefore, we can eliminate it fast. Okay? But, the next thing that you should know is they should have the same value. No? They should have the same value but different signs. In this case, the value of y in the first equation is negative 5. And then the value for y in equation 2 is 1. Therefore, we need to have them both values of 5. So to do that, we need to multiply equation 2 by positive 5 in order for us to get 5y. So that will give us 10x plus 5y is equal to 65. So we just multiplied the entire equation by 5. So as you can see here, the values of y have the same coefficients now, which is negative 5 and 5. Therefore, if we add equation 1 and equation 2, we can then eliminate the value of y. Okay, so negative 5y plus 5y is 0. So that will give us 14x is equal to 42. So dividing both sides by 14, we will get x is equal to 3. So this is the first value of the first missing value, which is x is equal to 3. Again, the process of elimination is you need to observe the given, no? If they have the same coefficients. If they didn't have the same coefficient, therefore you need to multiply, okay, to have them the same coefficient. You also need to observe if they have different symbols. It should be negative and positive so that you can eliminate one of the terms. So after getting the value of x, we need to substitute the value of x on either equation 1 or equation 2 to get the value of y. So in this case, I will substitute it in equation 1. So change x by 3. So 4 times x minus 5y is equal to negative 23. So 4 times 3, that is 12. Minus 5y is equal to negative 23. So negative 5y, isolate the value of y, and then you transpose 12 to the other side. So you will get negative 23, negative 12. So combining like terms, you will get, since they have the same sign, all you need to do is you need to add them. So that will give you negative 35. So after doing so, you need to divide both sides by negative 5. Therefore, y is equal to 7. So negative divided by negative is a positive number. So that will give you 7. So your final answer would be 3, 7. Again, you can use x is equal to 3 in equation 2, and that will also give you y is equal to 7. Again, it's just a matter of preference, as I was just saying a while ago. Okay, example number 2 is this one. So as you can see, it's a rather tricky question. It's because we do not have a given of x and y that has different sides. Okay? Because the values of x do have positive and positive, and then the values of y are negative and negative. Therefore, we need to multiply one equation by a negative number in order for us to make it positive. Okay? So therefore, let us multiply equation 2 by negative 3 in order for us to have positive 3y so that we can eliminate the value of y. Okay? So in that case, we will have, you distribute negative 3 to the entire equation, you'll get negative 15x. Negative 3 times negative y, that will give us positive 3y is equal to negative 6. So if we add this, as you can see, we can now eliminate the value of y. Okay? So 12x plus negative 15x, you'll get negative 3x is equal to 0. So if you divide negative 3 by other sides, if we divide negative 3 on both sides, we will get x is equal to 0. Okay? So this is the first missing term, which is x. So to get the value of y, again, we need to substitute on either equation 1 or equation 2. In this example, I'm going to substitute it on equation 2. So that will give us 5 times 0 minus y is equal to 2. So 5 times 0, that is 0. So negative y is equal to 2. So since we only need the positive values of y, we need to divide both sides by negative 1. So therefore, y is equal to negative 2. Therefore, your final answer would be 0, negative 2. Okay? So that's how you evaluate systems of linear equation using elimination. So as you can see guys, it's not that hard to evaluate systems of linear equation using substitution or elimination. At the end of the day, it's just a matter of preference. What do you prefer? Do you prefer substitution over elimination? Well, that's not something to debate on. It's because it's a personal preference. So, sa kayo nadalian, edi yun yung gamitin yung technique. But I am saying you, kung ano man yung mapili yung technique to use, you'll always get the same answer. No matter what technique you use. So, it's just plain and simple. Okay? So, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new and I hope you keep patronizing my videos. So, if you learned something new, give me the thumbs up and please do share this on your social media accounts in order for you to help me have my dream of having a 1,000 subscribers. Okay? So with that, thank you so much and have a nice day. Sir Diaz out. Bye guys.